Hello everyone. I hope you all are keeping good health. In this video, we will start with chapter 10, Mensuration. The first topic we will cover here is perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means length of boundary of a rectilinear figure. What is rectilinear figure here? A plane figure formed by line segments is called rectilinear figure, such as triangle, rectangle, square, etc. Let's start with perimeter of rectangle. What is rectangle? Rectangle is a shape with two opposite sides equal. Here, AB and CD are equal to each other and AD and BC are equal to each other. Perimeter of rectangle means we will add all the sides AB, BC, CD and DA, adding their values one by one. L plus B plus L plus B. I already explained to you in algebra that two variables can be added. The same variable. Here L plus L will give you 2L and B plus B will give you 2B. Taking 2 as common, you are left with 2 in the bracket L plus B. So the general formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Instead of adding all the sides, we will use this formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Next, let's consider some example. Example 1. This is a rectangle and the sides are given to you. We are supposed to find the perimeter of the rectangle by using the formula 2 into length plus breadth. Here the length is 50 and the breadth is 40. Putting the value, now we will solve the bracket part first. We will get 2 in the bracket 90. 2 bracket 90 means 2 multiplied by 90. You will get the answer as 180 meter. Let's consider one more example. Here length is 15, breadth is 11. Yes, the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Now in place of L, we will use 15. In place of breadth, we will use 11. Adding the values which are there in the bracket, multiply 2 and 26. Answer is 52 centimeter. Next, consider the perimeter of square. Square is a shape with all the sides equal. So while finding the perimeter of a square, we are supposed to add all the sides, as perimeter means boundary length. Putting the values, we will get S in all the sides. Now, after adding them, you will get final answer as 4S. So, moving to example. Here this is a square with side 20. To find out the perimeter of a square, you will use the formula 4S. 4S means 4 multiplied by S. Here S is 20. So you will put 4 into 20. Multiply them, you will get the answer as 80 meter. This is the final answer. One more example where the side is 18 centimeter. Use the formula of perimeter of a square as 4S. Here S is 18, so we will put it as 4 into 18. Finally, you will get the answer as 72 centimeter. The next condition is perimeter of equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Again, to find out the perimeter, you will add all the sides of the triangle. As all the sides are equal, that is S, when you will add them, you will get the answer as 3S. This is a general formula for perimeter of a equilateral triangle. Let's start with exercise 10.1. Question number 1. We have to find the perimeter of the shape given to you. Here, there are 4 sides. We are supposed to find the perimeter. To find out the perimeter, we will add all the sides one by one, starting from 4. 4, then 2, then 1, then 5. Finally, adding them together, you will get the answer as 12 centimeter. This is the perimeter for the given figure. Next, let's consider this figure. Again, we will start from one of the side to start for the perimeter. Here I am starting from this side. It's 4, again 4, again 4, again 4, again 4. Adding them all, you will get the answer as 20 centimeter. Next, question number 2. The lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed all round with tape. What is the length of the tape required? Here, this is a rectangular box. We are supposed to seal the lid all around with tape. Yes, how? Let's see. First, we will put a tape over this side, then to the next, then next, and again next. Yes, we are supposed to move in the boundary. It means we have to calculate the perimeter to find out the total length of the tape required. Here, it's given 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter, which means length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. As we are supposed to put a tape on the boundary, means perimeter. So we will put the value of perimeter here for the length of the tape. Now perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth. Here the length is 40. Breadth is 10. Solve the bracket. It's 2 into 50, which means 100 centimeter. So we can say the length of the tape required here is 100 centimeter. Moving to the next question. A tabletop measures 2 meter, 25 centimeter by 1 meter, 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? This is a tabletop. It's a rectangular in shape. Again here we will consider the rectangle shape. Yes, we have to find perimeter. Perimeter means boundary. First this line, then this, and the third one is this one. So this is a perimeter, means we are talking about the boundary. So it's a rectangle shape. So first, value is length. It's in meter and centimeter. Now, to convert centimeter to meter, put a point after 2 digits from right and finally you will have 2.25 meter. Similarly, second value is of breadth. We have to convert centimeter into meter. Put a point after 2 digits from right. We will have 1.50 meter. Now as we are supposed to find the perimeter here, the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Here we will use length as 2.25 and breadth as 1.50. Adding the two numbers present in the bracket, whole to whole, decimal to decimal, we will get 2 into 3.75. Multiply them. No sign between 2 and the bracket means we have to multiply. We will get the answer as 7.50 meter. So the perimeter of the tabletop is 7.50 meter, which you can write as 7 meter 50 centimeter, which means the whole number part will come in meter and the decimal part in centimeter. What is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively? Now here there is a photo frame. We have to frame this with a wooden strip. So where you will put this wooden strip? First in this one, then this line, next this one, and next this line. So we are basically covering the boundary area. So total length of the wooden strip required will be calculated by calculating total length of the boundary, that is perimeter again. So first its length, next its breadth. We are supposed to find the total length of the wooden strip means perimeter. That is 2 into length plus breadth. Here the length is 32 and breadth is 21. Add them, the value in the bracket first. We will get 2 in the bracket 53. We are supposed to multiply these two values and the final answer will be 106 centimeter. So length of the wooden strip is 106 centimeter. Question number 5. A rectangular piece of length measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. What is the length of the wire needed? Again, fencing. Here consider this is a rectangular piece of length. Fencing means we have to put a border. So for fencing, we will put like this wire on the one side, then the second wire, then the third wire, and like this when you will cover it completely by one round of wire. This is known as fencing. So fencing basically means again covering the boundary area, that is the perimeter. Here the length is 0.7 kilometer and the breadth is 0.5 kilometer. We are supposed to find the length of the wire needed for covering this boundary. It means we will calculate the perimeter, which is 2 into length plus breadth. Again, here the length is 0.7 and breadth is 0.5. Add the values which is there in the bracket. You will get it as 2 and in the bracket it's 1.2. Multiply them, you will get the answer as 2.4 kilometer. This much wire is required to take one round. But here in the questions given, it's to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. What do you mean by 4 rows? Right now it's only 1 row of wire. So to find out the length of wire needed for fencing with 4 rows of wire, right now in the diagram we can see it's 1 row of wire. This one is second row of wire, again third row of wire, and this one is fourth row of wire. So now we can count it as 1, that is the bottom one, then 2, then 3, and this one is 4. 1 means 2.4. So 4 means 2.4 into 4, which means 9.6 kilometer. So length of wire needed is 9.6 kilometer. Question number 6. Find the perimeter of a triangle of side 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. Here all the sides of the triangle are different. While finding the perimeter, start from A, cover all the sides and add all the measurements given to you, and you will get the perimeter as an answer. Starting from 3, then 4, then 5, and now we are back at A. So we will stop here. Add them all, the final answer will be 12 centimeter, which is the perimeter here. Next. An equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeter. Equilateral means all the sides of the given triangle are equal. Now, for equilateral triangle or for the shape having all the sides equal, to calculate the perimeter, multiply the value to the number of sides. Here the value is 9, number of sides are 3. So to find out perimeter, you will multiply 9 by 3. Yes, the answer is 27 centimeter. Next. An isosceles triangle with equal sides 8 centimeter each and third side 6 centimeter. Isosceles triangle means a triangle where two sides are equal. So here this is a triangle. Here two sides are equal, AB and AC, and BC is a third side which is not equal. Now here to find out the perimeter, we will add these two 8 plus 8, or we can write it as 2 into 8. Adding 8 2 times means 2 into 8. And the third side we will add it to it. Now while solving it, 2 into 8 means 16 plus 6, which means 22 centimeter. Okay. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Again, here we are supposed to find the perimeter of a triangle with different sides given to you. So this is a triangle and all the sides are having different values. To find out the perimeter, we'll add all the sides. First 10, 14, 15. Back to A, we will add them all to get the value as 39 centimeter. Thank you everyone. I hope all the calculations is clear to you. God bless you.